by the end line and serves it in front, and it's an early goal. What an incredible start. The Reggae Boyz are crashing the party. 30 seconds in.
5 games, 4 weeks, 1 month. Let me say that again. 5 games, 4 weeks, 1 month. This is going to be Jamaica Reggae Boyz' biggest 1 month or 4 weeks or 5 games of football in possible or most recent history. And if you'd realize that in the last 1 or 2 years or so, we have played so much important matches, very, very important matches. But this particular month would be probably supersede all of them. Big up on yourself, people. Smash the like button, hit the subscribe button. And if you're here for the first time, welcome again to MG Sports TV. Glad to have you guys back. I'm outside taking some cool breeze in my garden. Yeah, anyways, so me home, so I say, you know what, come out of the house and come get some fresh breeze. I've done even the fast cars. I'm gonna check the Premier League matches them. Anyways, so let me give you an update. Jamaica versus Dominican Republic, Dominica versus Jamaica, Mexico versus Jamaica, Ecuador versus Jamaica, Jamaica versus Venezuela. You hear the names, people. So first 2, World Cup qualification. That's the first 2. World Cup qualification. Next 3, Copa America. So we have 2 big tournaments playing in 1 month. 1 month. Now, we are going to definitely need our best team for this. We are going to need players who are fully committed to the cause. Who are extremely committed to the cause. We don't want no hiccup. We don't want no controversy. We don't want issues for this one. We want to, when this month starts, we want to be in the mindset of this is what we are going to do. We are a team. We will be pulling the same direction. This is very, very important in what we want to do. And the entire fan base, the entire team, the entire coaching staff, the entire nation will be pulling in the same direction. We don't want to interview before the match. we don't want none of that. We don't want no interview before match day. We cannot afford that. We don't want a controversy. We don't want an issue. We want this month to be an issue-free month. Lovely football, just excited football, games are played. All right, so let's get into the meat of the matter. First 2 matches we have a CONCACAF World Cup qualification process. Jamaica versus Domrep. That game will be played in Jamaica on Thursday, the 6th of June. First of all, supporters, come out. I'm tired of always complain about marketing this and marketing that and rate it. It's a World Cup qualification. Me know so we don't miss a Champions League match. We don't miss a champions. If a phone team did all if a phone team I play, we don't miss it. You have too much supporters of football people in Jamaica. People support this and that team. If Jamaica national team are playing in the national stadium and you can't come support. The ticket never expensive. Champs ticket more expensive than football match ticket. And champs pack. We want to come support. Anyways, now, yes. One, the federation did them part in raising awareness that the game is coming up, big matchup, but people want to come out. People, I do my part by raising awareness about it. We do our part. If you check out IG platform, every minute you post the game, I come up. Every minute we do look at something about the game. So if we follow our pages, when I go see, we consistently post it, this and that. So we do our part. Yes, Jeff, if I got should do it for them part. The media outlets them do for them part. People no found to follow the media outlets. I mean, me can't tell them to see it. Anyways, so this is a big match, and I will be there. If I go there, just know something I go there. Anyways, next matchup on the 22nd of June. So this is actually further away. We have no, my apologies. Next matchup is the 9th of June. 3 days later, we travel and we're going to play against Dominica. We're going to go into Dominica to play against Dominica. What if we can make the game there? What if we can guard Dominica? What if we need, I go check out it. I go check out it, we can guard the game there. I think I would definitely guard the game there. And these 2 games, I strongly believe that we can pick up 6 points already from these 2 games. I strongly believe we can pick up 6 points from these 2 games. And if we don't, I think that's a failure. I think if we don't, I think that's definitely a failure in my view. We have how much games? How much teams up? We have Guatemala as well. We have British Virgin Islands. So those teams are further down. Maybe possibly next year. But I think we can get those 2 games out of the way, certainly. Next up now, move to the Copa America, which is the month end, June month end. Very, very important. First matchup, biggest matchup out of the games, which would have been the Mexico versus Jamaica. Now, this is a Mexico game. This is a game where I think that Mexico, they're going to come all out. Let me tell you why. Mexico is really, really depressed from the fact that they would have lost so much games versus the USA. They have lost the Nations League. And I know they're upset about that. So definitely that's one area where I think them are going to come hard. And so they're going to say, you know what, I want this. But guess what? I don't fear them. Based off of what I see USA, I don't fear them. I don't fear them none at all. Anyways, next matchup we have in the Copa America is Ecuador, which I think is going to be a tough game. Definitely, but we can represent ourselves. Then now, and that will be on the 26th of June. That's 4 days later. And then now, 4 days later, we have Jamaica versus Venezuela. I think Venezuela ranked 56 in the FIFA ranking, but quite interesting. So these are some very, very interesting games for us. And I think that all of these games I'm looking at are winnable games. So imagine after we played these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Imagine if we win all 5 games. Which part would I rank in the FIFA? But I'm not going to disregard the quality of the other teams. Not going to disregard them. But I do believe that we can win all 5 games. But as I said, this month of June, the month of June is going to be one of the biggest months for us where football is concerned. What can we do? How can we represent ourselves in that particular month? As I said, no controversy, no issues, no problems. Just football, strictly football, because that is what matters right now, and that is what's supposed to win. Algorithms have a tough task ahead because they don't know where squad selection is concerned. That is going to be the vital part because the squad selection is going to dictate how well we do, and more than likely the same squad we're going to select for the World Cup qualifiers might be the same team moving into the Copa America. Even though the World Cup qualifiers might be not going to be that hard, so maybe we might see a few more new faces in the World Cup qualifiers, but we might see the regular faces in the World Cup in Copa America. Maybe. Just assume. That's an assumption. Or maybe the coach will go for some consistency and say, you know what, same team in the World Cup qualifiers, we will push them forward to play in the Copa America, and we'll see how that one go. Anyways, big up on yourself, people. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. Tell us what you think about these games coming up and this particular month, which is going to be the biggest month in a long, long time for the Reggae Boyz. MG Sports TV, people. Tell us what you think in the comment section. Hit the like button. Hit the subscribe button if you're here for the first time. See you guys again. Until next time. God bless. We're out. Boom.